Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to delete apps from a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you no longer want to have an app, you can go and get rid of it because it will then go and save space and resources. To get started, go to the bottom of your computer and go and find the Windows Start button and click there. In here, you need to go and find Settings. You can always go and search at the top if you can't find it. In Settings, you need to come over to the left and find the option for Apps. Then at the top of Apps, find Installed Apps. It's going to go and load the apps on your computer. And you can go and search for a specific app, or you can go and scroll through here by using 2 fingers or clicking and holding on the side. Find the app that you want to go and uninstall. Then what you can do is press the 3 dots to the right, and you can go and press uninstall like so. Press uninstall to confirm your decision. Some apps you may get an additional pop-up. Others may just go and uninstall. With this, I need to confirm the decision. It's now been completed, and we can close and it will then go and be removed from the list. And you can repeat that for